during the writing, I try to like come up with the style of the music that would be scoring, even though it might work or might not work. Like, and it turns out that during when I was writing, the sound of like just solo piano, just like very like healing type, really 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 aids me in writing. And unexpectedly, when we were like editing, the producer Sira Malangkut, he was seeing the footage because he didn't go out to the production with me, but he watched the footage and watched the clip or watched the sequence that the editor did, and he said without me being in the room that he thinks that the scoring should be very minimal, like just like maybe like only one piano, and it's exactly the same. So we got the direction from that, and we talked with the music composer that we want to do this, and he's very good at playing piano, like conducting melody from piano, and he's really happy about it. So, and the direction, the most challenging things in this is that everything is so abstract. The feeling is so abstract. So I try to get back to the feeling that when we're working with the production team, that I want the feeling of the guy who works in this department put out on the table. Like the production design that I told you, that his memories for a loved one. Also from the music composer, that I want that feeling from him after seeing the movie, and I want him to compose the feeling that he has for it. Not like exact briefing, I want this and want that. I don't do that in this movie. So when things get off the track, it's very difficult to communicate. How is it not working? We can like, it doesn't work. I don't know why. I don't know why it doesn't work. So maybe we play something. Can you play something out? Me and my editor, we'll just sit by the music composer because we're like very close. And he'll just like play something. Oh, this is so good. And then we develop from that. Okay. It's very challenging but also very fun.
Oke, mungkin sedikit merangkum ya. Jadi Oke, jadi tadi terkait musik, kenapa kok dipilih piano gitu kan? Tadi kurang lebih pertanyaannya. Nah, piano sendiri membantu Hunpad ketika dia writing dan sebagainya. Ketika mendengarkan dentingan piano itu kayak pas gitu, membantu dan juga merasa pas. Kemudian pas produser juga melihat klip ini sebelum final edit juga merasa ini musiknya harus minimal, mungkin solo piano aja udah bisa menyentuh gitu ibaratnya ya. Kemudian setelah itu composing dan sebagainya juga diharap apa ya, yang cocok itu piano ternyata di sini. Kemudian juga dalam production musiknya itu Hunpad meminta nggak terlalu banyak mendirect, tapi beliau meminta kayak put your apa ya, refleksikan diri kamu setelah nonton, apa yang kamu rasakan keluarkan dalam komposisi musik kamu gitu ya. Nah itu karena itu sangat personal gitu ya, tiap orang bisa beda-beda. Ketika ada ini kok kayaknya nggak masuk gitu, nah itu diskusinya jadi agak susah gitu. Jadi karena menurut mungkin komposernya begini gitu, tapi ketika nggak cocok harus dibicarakan. Nah akhirnya ada momen seperti kayak tadi Hunpad duduk bersama dengan komposernya, ayo main musik aja, coba apa keluarin gitu. Terus tahu-tahu mana yang cocok, nah itu develop dari situ, seperti itu.
Okay. Since we already know what your personal favorite scene, right? I just want to ask, what is the most challenging scene? Like you are frustrated, like how this is going to work? You don't know how because it's abstract, right? What your most challenging scene in this movie?
Is the ending scene. The ending scene is very challenging in terms of shooting. Actually, from the planning, it's not. I mean the complexity of the shot itself is very simple, because like tracking shot from like long shot. If someone remember, it's like a very wide shot. You see like the whole graveyard, and then the camera track in slowly And lastly, we saw Bilkin like throwing flower and then sitting down. The wind blows by, and he thought of his grandmother. And then the movie said,